Hi friends, let me show you my new Safring cocktail shaker set. This is a 12 pieces set. I had 3 pieces before and now I want to try this new 12 pieces, okay? Let me show you, okay? Great. This is a bamboo stand, really nice, okay? It's all made of stainless steel, food grade, okay? Let me show you. Okay, this is the cup of the mixer. Okay, some wine stoppers here. Another one. A bottle opener. A drink pourer. And another one. Okay. Shaker. Okay, and ice. This is for the ices. Okay. It's going to be here. We have everything in place. The ice accessory, the bottle opener, this hand shaker, this one to press fruit, this one to mix your drink in your glass, the wine bottle stoppers and wine bottle pourers, okay, and the actual mixer. You get a cocktail guide, okay, and let me show you. I tell you everything is stainless steel, so you could pour your spirit here, your drink, and you can mix it, okay? When you are ready, you just pour it. Perfect. Great option for your bar, for a gift, for your home. When you have a party, you have guests, you will impress them with this cocktail shaker set. Thank you.